In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to collect signatures without email. You might be wondering how it's possible, but trust me, it's simpler than you think. And I've tried all the most popular software out there to make sure I'm giving you the most effective solution. Stick around to the end and I'll share an exclusive free trial for the software we'll be using today. It's only available through my channel. So let's dive in. The first method is using online forms with built-in signature fields. A lot of platforms let you create customizable forms that collect signatures directly on the web page without needing an email. These forms are perfect for agreements, petitions, or anytime you need legally binding signatures. The key is to look for a service that lets you set up signature blocks without asking the signer for any email address. You can embed these forms right into your site or even share a direct link. Next, you can consider signature pads. Signature pads are physical devices, but many modern systems allow these devices to connect directly to your software, bypassing the need for email altogether. Once you have your pad set up, you can collect signatures on the spot, no email required. Another option is text messaging. Text-to-sign solutions are growing in popularity because they're super convenient and don't need email. Signers can get a secure link via text, sign the document on their phone, and it's done. It's quick and efficient, and they don't even need to log in or check their email. If you're dealing with AGEs, contracts, AUTI, or other important documents, look for platforms that allow DHT mobile signature collection. With just a few taps on a mobile device, you can get the signature you need, and the best part is no email is required. This method is especially helpful if you're working with clients who are on the go and don't have access to email at that moment. Another great method is to use QR codes. You can generate a QR code linked to your signature form or document, and anyone can scan it with their phone, sign it, and submit it without email. This is especially useful for in-person events, conferences, or even retail settings, where you need a quick and easy way to collect signatures from a large group of people. Finally, if you're working in a team or in an environment where documents are frequently updated, collaborative cloud-based solutions can allow you to gather signatures in real time without needing email addresses. The software we're using today supports this feature, allowing multiple people to sign documents simultaneously, which speeds up the process without any back-and-forth email chains. Key takeaway: collecting signatures without email is totally doable with the right software. Whether you use online forms, signature pads, text messages, mobile sign-offs, QR codes, or collaborative platforms, you can get the signatures you need without worrying about email delays or complications. Remember, the software we use today has an exclusive free trial link in the description below for you to follow along and try it for yourself. It's only available through my channel, so don't miss out. To quickly recap, I covered online forms, signature pads, text messaging, mobile sign-offs, QR codes, and collaborative cloud solutions as the best ways to collect signatures without email. I hope this helps you streamline your signature collection process. Thanks for watching.